EQ with your ears. You know, this just got worse nung mas na-appreciate natin yung visual really. That's why manufacturers keep on making their GUIs, the graphic user interface, to be very attractive, you know. So, bila naisip ko, parang DJ lang yan nung lumabas yung mga Serato and Tractor. During our time, we played looking at the crowd, you know. But hey, again, no insult. I'm just trying to inject humor. But you know, you get stuck watching your waveforms, di ba? Yun, kasi nga naman, maganda eh. But, yun na nga yun. I think the important there, yeah, di ba? I mean, para maganyan mo, di ba? I mean, it's cool. But, you know, trust your ears. Pagdating sa EQ, trust your ears, na kahit kawirdohan yan, for all you know, that's what's needed. Di ba? Yung, sometimes tayo parang, oh, 10 dB na binawas ko, okay na, pero 10 dB, parang mali yata yun na. Basta, trust your ears. If it sounds right to you, good. That's why it's there, di ba? EQ with your ears. Pakinggan. That's why, balik ulit talaga sa practice, you know, listen to music, train your ears. Bottom line, we're here to perform. It's not how people will look at our stuff and ganyan, pero linusot mo ba yung labas ng maganda? If linusot mo yung event mo na maganda, wala magrereklamo, wala nang papansin sa'yo, di ba? Yun yung importante. Produkto natin yung how we performed. Ultimately, ito yan. Okay? EQs can't fix bad sound. Hindi siya remedy eh. Hindi siya yung solusyon. Don't fall for na, dahil na may EQ naman dyan eh, dyan natin naayusin, di ba? Alam ko in recording, I think there's a saying that, fix it in the mix. Or something like that. But in live sound, and with respect to recording engineers, all right, but you have a lot of time to record, a lot of time to polish that recording because millions of people will listen to it. Respect. Pero live sound tayo, take one. No, walang take two, take one. Yun na yun eh. That's why it's a different mindset. Diba? It should be a different mindset for you. So, EQ shouldn't be your go-to solution right away. And again, I always give credit to people where kanino ako may napupulot. You know, I had the same thought, but Rico Bicol gave it a word for me, gave it a phrase, you know. EQing starts with mic positioning. And that's fantastic. You know, like, totoo yun, ha? You know, I mean, minsan, maling miking, tas babawiin mo yon. It's like, if you hang a mic, di ba, a dynamic vocal mic, ihang mo sa guitar amp, then yung proximity effect nun, una masyado mataba yun. Pangalawa, since hindi spot on sa diaphragm yung tunog, baka mas manipis pa nga eh. Pero makapal siya on the low end. So, mangyayari sa'yo dun sa front of house, pipihitin mo yung low mo. Whereas, if you just, you know, sige, gamitan mo na stand, di ba? Bang, boom, tutok, salpak, you get exactly the sound right away, di ba? So, hindi mo na kailangan galawin. You have to remember every time you play around with the EQ graph, you know, the main house or channels, you know, there is effect in the phase of the signal. Minor, major, whatever, pero meron eh. So, what you really want to do is to really capture that as is, di ba? As it is. Doon ang gagaling yun nga yung sinabi ko. Like, EQing starts with mic placement. Oh, so going back, EQ can't fix a bad sound. Meaning, pag masama talaga yung source mo, that's what you get. It's like kick drums. Yung kick drum, di ba, ang tunog niyan, very hollow. Hindi mabigat yung tunog niyan. Pag kahit tinono nyo, di ba, we know how to tune it and all that, but it still needs some oomph, di ba? Then you put dampening material inside para habulin mo yung tunog na gusto mo. There's a lot of techniques there, you know, like, lagyan mo, sandalan mo yung skin, sandalan mo yung, there's a lot. But bottom line is, itotono mo dapat yon, you know, tune the drums, di ba? You tune it, lagyan nyo kahit tissue paper or whatever, toms nyo para mawala overtones, whatever. There's a lot of techniques of doing it para nga, yung capture na, kinakapture nyo na sound, you have less EQing necessary. You only EQ primarily to remedy anomalies, not to manipulate the sound. Probably some artistic end may nahabol kayo. Like you need to, di ba, may parte sa kanta na kailangan parang telephonic yung boses niya. I-tailor nyo sa EQ. Yes, okay, that's okay lang yun. But bad sound, you know. Kaya lagi, take care of your sources. Use good mics. I'm not saying expensive equipment, well-tuned equipment, guitar amps, bass amps, well-maintained amps, you know. And then you'll get that quality. Kung ano man siya, yun yung makukuha nyo, di ba?